Greetings and peace be unto you all. Today, after a moment of meditation, I sat and reflected on life. Spirit revealed to me a question. Have you considered the hinges? A hinge is a movable joint or mechanism attached to a door, gate, or lid that allows it to move freely, to open or to close. We often go in and out of our homes. Even if we stay inside the house or building, we may go in and out of different rooms. Many of us use doors to go out and get items that are essential to us or items that are desired. We may go out the house to benefit the elements of nature, the sun, the fresh air, and sometimes come in the house to protect ourselves from the elements of nature, strong winds, heavy rain, or storms. Many of us use the door to store items like food in the cabinets or in our refrigerators. And we use the same doors to retrieve those items to restore our bodies. Every time we use the door to supply our needs or satisfy our desires, how many of us have taken the time to consider the hinges? The hinges, those small metal joints that keep the door in place, allowing the door to swing open or close. Sometimes just allowing the door to move freely. The hinges, to some, may seem small and insignificant or even invisible as we go in and out, entering and exiting. The hinges, the brace or bracket that keeps the door balanced. Beloved, have you considered the hinges that are present in your life? The hinges are not to hinder you, but rather these hinges are to help you. The hinges that keep you in place. The hinges that are sometimes invisible, but keep you balanced. Until next time, remember, life doesn't happen to us, but life happens through us. Peace and bright moments.